this world, to realize that humanity matters above anything else. Only we live in a world where religion would unite us. We're born into this world to face disappointment, sickness, diseases, hatred, name it all. All these are shackles. Shackles that hold us down. Sometimes the shackles hold us down and keep us. Sometimes we walk away from them. Other times we wonder how the shackles got to our ankles. What do we do about this? What if the people of Unwilling decide to...
I have always told you this. Stop worrying yourself. When we get to the bridge, we will cross it.
It's this feeling. I'm just scared. Honestly, it's like...
Look, woman, I have told you this. Do not be a coconut that died after it was buried. Let me enjoy this your dish.
Papa, you're still here drinking. Let's go now. Papa. I'm coming. Mama, come and talk to Papa. I don't know what he's trying to do. He has been sitting down there drinking and he's not talking to me.
Emerike, please calm down. Alright, just calm down. Talk to him, beg him, he's your father. He will go with you.
Mama, for how long will I calm down? Eh? There is no time. Eh, Mama? Please come and talk to him, please. Papa, you can't be doing this, Papa. Papa, look at the time, it's already late. Please go inside and dress up. Let us follow immediately to his in-law's place. Papa. Papa, why are you doing this? Why are you doing this, Papa? Uchichi and her people are waiting for us. Leave this drink. When you come back, you drink. There's no time.
I am sure I never told you that I need it anyway. So you are free to go ahead with the arrangement. Go ahead. For me, I am going nowhere.
Papa, please. Please, don't do this. Don't do this, please.
Emenike, if you love her and you like the situation, go ahead and marry her. As for me, I am not going anywhere from here.
But let me ask you, what are you hiding from me? What do I need to know about your refusal to follow me?
My son, you will not understand.
Papa, understand what? Papa, this is not fair. Why are you doing this? Papa, why are you doing this? I thought you were aware of these dates. And you know that is why we came back. Please, Papa, go and dress up. There is no time. Let us follow Emenike to his in-law's place. Please, Papa.
My son Obima, stay away from this.
Papa, please. Please stop doing this. Just get up, come and get dressed, and let's start going. These people are waiting for us.
I don't want to start backing like a dog here. I have told you my stand. You can go ahead and marry her. I am going nowhere
Papa,
with
stop
you.
this now. Stop this. Let's... Mama, why is Papa doing this to me? Eh? Why is Papa doing this to me? Eh? Come and talk to Papa. Why is he doing this to me? Maybe you should come and join us.
No, it's not possible. I can't go with you people. Eh? My husband is there. Besides, women don't go for such things.
What's going on? Why the sudden change? Mama, why have you developed cold feet over going to church's place for the marriage rite?
I have not developed any cold feet.
Why are you against this?
I am not against it. According to tradition, a woman is not supposed to go for introduction.
Mama, you are against it.
I am not against it. You don't upset me. I'm not against it. It's just a woman is not allowed to go.
Then what is going on? What are you two not telling me?
You know what? I think you should go to Chie Ozo's house. Invite him to come and talk to your father so he would escort you to Uchechi's house.
You see? You see what I'm talking about? Why must I go to see Uncle Ozo before Papa will follow me to that place?
You saw he will plead with your father now.
Let's go now. Or do you want to abandon me too?
Of course, I can abandon my friend. Listen, you and I need tradition in the village. You will not listen to us for that unless you prevent. We know that your father is still alive.
Relax, he will come. He will surely come.
Yeah, that will not be what I'm thinking of.
Because keep your head straight. You are scattering.
I am no longer comfortable. I've not seen my man.
Oh, relax, don't worry. Even if you lost him, he will surely come. You think after all this preparation, he will come? It's not possible.
I don't know what is keeping me. Pick your call now. Pick your call.
You're welcome, my son. You're welcome. My son, come and sit down. You're welcome. Have your seat. Come with you.
Hey, what kind of frustration is this now? Are you sure something has not happened to him anything?
Uchechi, relax. You ruin your makeup.
Which one is that I should relax? Chideka, it is late. And the worst is that Emenike is not even picking his call. He said, why would I relax? How can I relax?
Maybe he's busy.
Busy? Doing what? Eh? Did we not agree on this date together? He said, he's busy.
Menike, you have to calm down and ask your father why he has refused to follow you to your in-laws' house. I strongly believe he will tell you the truth, because there is always a point where the fly starts following a woman with a basket of over on her head. Yes.
What is this truth that you're talking about? What is this truth that nobody is telling me?
Menike, calm down. Let me go and dress up. I'll follow you to your house. Eh? Huh?
You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. Sit down. Sit down. Have a seat. Sit down. We have been waiting for you.
Sorry, something came up.
It's alright.
Okay.
So, he's seeking for our daughter's hand in marriage. Is it Ibabuchi's son or Ozo's? Ibabuchi, of course. Ibabuchi. So you don't know anything about Ibabuchi's family? Are you with your senses? So you want to give out our daughter's hand in marriage to Ibabuchi's son?
Are you not Ibabuchi, the son of Ufafo? Yes, I am.
Then, why did you bring this your clay family into our own family?
Did your father not tell you that you cannot associate with us?
No, I don't like this. I don't like what you are doing. Why are you embarrassing my visitor?
He's also my visitor. Why did you not tell us that it was this man and his unclean family that we are expecting?
I don't like this. I don't like what you are doing.
Yes, Otika. This man here, Ibabuchi, and his son cannot marry our daughter because he is an Osu.
Osu? Has that not been abolished long time ago?
Abolished. But our kinsmen did not accept it. When they agreed to abolish Osu, our family refused. We did not accept it. Look, if it were also a son that came here to marry our daughter, but Ibabuchi's son can never marry our daughter.
How come you are not Osu? Why your cousin Ibabuchi is an Osu?
This is not why we are here.
Okay. I think you people should go and come back in a few days. Please, let me talk to my brother.
Why can't this right continue?
No.
Are you now with them?
No. I'm not in support of any form of discrimination. Besides, as long as I'm concerned, this Osu has been abolished in our town. So, they should go. You cannot do this with this place. Moreover, a man cannot give out his daughter's hand in marriage without the support of his family.
That's alright. There's no problem. I think we will go and come back. Yes.
You're welcome. Emerike. Abuchi, how did you go?
I don't want to talk now.
Which one? Oh, don't look at me. What is it? How did you go? What happened?
Can I have a seat, please?
Okay, sure.
Why was your father the only son of his father who was an Osu? Uncle Dike is not an Osu. Uncle Ozo is not an Osu. And was your father not the real son of his father?
Let me tell my son. It is a very long story. Too long a story that I'm not even in the mood to start telling you.
Papa, tell me all the long story. I want to hear it today. I'm all ears to hear all the long story. Eh? I want to really know who you are. Eh? Why is it that your father was the only also in their lineage? Why?
I mean, if you realize you are raising your voice at me.
Papa, I'm very angry. I'm very, very angry, and I'm disappointed. I'm very disappointed, and I'm heartbroken right now. Just tell me what I need to hear. Tell me what I want to hear, Papa. Mama, so you knew about this. But you too knew about this.
It's not everything that a mother should tell her child.
Indeed. Now see where it left us. See where it left me.
You know your father suffered more than you did. Much worse than you did.
I cannot suffer what my that father suffered. I cannot pass, I will never pass through what my father passed through. Eh? What kind of crude culture is this? When did it start?
My son, culture has always been there. Passed down from our forefathers to our fathers. Some are even made by the day. If you know what your father went through, you know he told me that he almost committed suicide. Yes. Then he got involved with the church, and even the church members discriminated against him. And then when it was time to settle down, all the women ran away. They treated him like a pig. Until God made it possible for us to meet.
And I'm tired. I've given up on everything. I've given up on myself. Everything.
If you also give up on your mother,
good night.
I have never been humiliated like this since the shoe was abolished. You see these people of Umuke, they hold this thing stronger than their forefathers did. I remember as a child, they nearly stoned me to death just because I fetched water from their stream.
it's only God that can handle this.
So
what will you do?
they asked us to go and come back. No, I won't go back.
We'll go back. If they ask us to come back, we'll go back.
I I don't even know what I'm thinking about now. I think I need some time.
What are we going to do now?
I don't know. I've asked my father to grab push. Till now he has not given me any answer. He cannot understand why his father is the only outcast amongst his brothers.
That is very strange. What do you mean? I hope you're not leaving me. I hope you will not leave me for one day. I don't want you to have issues. Where are you?
I'm going out.
Okay, let me get your food to eat first before you...
No. Leave it. I'm not hungry.
What do you mean you're not hungry? You've not eaten since last night and you're telling me you're not hungry. Where are you going to?
I'm not hungry. Leave it. I'm coming.
Hey, Menike! He's not hungry. This whole situation is really bothering my son. What kind of nonsense is this? For him to turn down food? It's a serious matter.
I need an answer to this. Why was my grandfather the only outcast amongst his brothers? Was he not your blood? Or was he not from your lineage?
Emenike. Maybe we should let this be. I'll find a wife. I've told you this severally.
No, Papa. No, I am not going anywhere. I need to know all I should know about this. Okay, let me ask you. Did your great-grandfather adopt my grandfather?
No. Your grandfather and my father were of the same blood. Your own father and myself are the same flesh and blood.
Since they are the same flesh and blood,
Yes.
then why are you not an outcast? And my father is an outcast.
Yes, your father is not an outcast. He was, but not anymore.
Okay, he was.
Yes.
Then what made him an outcast?
Well, he once trespassed the threshold of the gods. Yes.
And what's the meaning of that?
Emenike, if I start telling you the story now, the little energy I have will not carry it. So please go home.
Uncle, please.
Go home.
Please, you have to tell me everything I need to know about this. Because you are the head of this family. But, Uncle, you see, if you don't tell me, I am going to set this whole building on fire.
Emenike, let me tell you, it was not your father Ibabuchi. It was not him. Are you getting me? But his own father caused the whole thing.
Yes, my father, Nsofo, was an unfortunate man. His being an outcast was a luck simply because his father, Umezuleke, was a harsh man. Stories have it that he hardly forgives even the slightest offense. He was one of the most feared men in this town during this time. he was also said to be wicked. And that was what led him to putting his family in such calamity. It happened during the planting season that my grandfather, Umezulike, instructed his entire family never to go anywhere near his barn. But my father and so forth, being an inquisitive child, was unfortunate. A terrible misfortune struck him at the wrong time.
Adadimma. Who entered my barn? Who entered my barn? I did not enter your barn. What is the problem? Someone entered my barn and opened the basket under which I hid the white cock, made to be sacrificed to a hedgehog. Hey! The worst is that I don't know where to get another white cock. Where do I get another white cock? This particular white cock took me 4 moons to get. The worst one is that today is the sacrificial night. Hey. This night.
It's of our land. Who could have done this now?
You are asking me. I should ask you that question. Now, where are these children?
They went to fetch firewood.
Now listen. Whoever is responsible for this, I am going to skin the person alive. I am going to skin the person alive. Come, where is Obi? Where is Obi?
He did not come here.
Both of you, who entered my barn?
Papa.
Who entered my barn?
Papa, I saw Sofo coming out from your barn.
Sofo! Sofo! Okay. Keep running. And then you will not come back to this house. Adadimma, where are you going to? Where are you going to?
I'm going to look for my son.
If you step out of this compound, I will cut off your legs.
Please forgive him. Please. Don't forget the saying that when an adult beats a child with the right hand, he covers him with the left. Please.
Now listen, I have not even touched him. I have not touched him. Except he doesn't come back to this house. Because if I set my eyes on him, I will cut off his head. Adadimma, do you realize that I have nothing to offer to Ihejob? I have just nothing to sacrifice to Ihejob this season because of this boy. How do you expect me to be happy? No, tell me, how do you want me to be happy? Knowing fully well that a terrible harvest is waiting for me.
Sofo is only but a child.
Stop! I have told you severally. I don't even know if your ears are for decoration. The more you plead with me, the more I get angry. That is me, and you know that.
My husband, it's almost midnight. Sofo is not yet back. I'm worried something terrible must have happened to him. I want to go and look for my son.
Now listen, this discussion is over. Go in. I said go in and sleep.
Our grandmother, Mezuluke's wife, pleaded with him, but he refused. He became so angry that he couldn't listen to his wife. And that night, my father, Sof, did not come back because he was too scared, just because of his angry father. And that was the beginning of this whole terrible story.
What happened later on?
My father became too hungry. And he had no other alternative than to run to Ibaka shrine. Where he ate the food sacrificed to the gods.
Who are you? How dare you eat the food made for the gods?
I'm sorry, I was hungry.
Do you know what you have done? There's a mom must hear this. Ume Larugu! Ume Larugu!
Is everything alright?
Everything is not alright. The worst has happened.
What happened? What happened?
Hey! Where's your son?
What's up, my son? Are you asking us?
Suffer.
Ran away from the house.
Hey! So you haven't heard the news? News that have been circulating in this whole village.
Which news? Speak!
Suffer ate the sacrifice meant for the gods.
What?
Hey! Woman, this is terrible.
Hey!
So head off. Woman? What are you going to do? What are you doing inside?
Anjegu, gini, gini, basra, osa gini, osere kure gini, ogoto ukwa gini, ukwa gibu, gini,
I can hear you. Now speak to me, I can hear you.
Greetings, wise one.
Woman!
Wise one.
What are you looking for? No one comes to the shrine of Agbaga uninvited.
Wise one, I know, but I have come to take my son.
Who is the son?
The son.
The son now belongs to the great Ibaka. He now belongs to the gods.
Wise one, it was my fault, I know, but please, I want you to help. I want to take him home.
Woman, get out! Your son, like I said, now belongs and bears the name of Ibaka.
No, he is still my son. He is my son.
Are you mad?
And I want to take him home.
Woman, are you mad? Your son will suffer. Can no longer associate with humans. He cannot shave his head unless the God says so.
I don't understand.
Woman, go home. Go home and rest your head on the wall. You understand it better. And I don't want to hear it again from you. Or else!
What is it? Is he saying that Christopher is no longer my son? Oh, I don't understand.
Ume, why are you asking questions as if you are a visitor in this village? Christopher, your son, is now an outcast. Don't you understand? Eh?
It can't be.
It can be.
It can't be.
So, didn't you hear him?
Didn't you hear Akata?
What did he say?
Christopher, your son, can no longer mix up or associate with free bonds like us.
He can't shave his hair. That makes him an Osu. Yes.
It was my fault.
How? What happened?
Hey! Oh. May our ancestors never allow this to happen to me.
Maybe you're not telling me anything I should understand. But let me ask you, why did he run away from the house? Why? Yeah?
What are you saying? You made your son to run out of the house because of a cock?
No, not just a cock. A white cock. Just any cock.
No type of cock will make you to do such a thing. Is a cock more important than your son?
No, I'm not saying that a cock is more important than my son. What I'm saying is that, okay, I have accepted my fault. It was my mistake. But I want you to do something to help me. If you're searching for the eye of an animal, you go to the head. No, I don't know. You should help me in a situation like this.
I don't think there's anything I can do about it. We are all titled men. And we all know the tradition.
We know the tradition.
we are all titled men. But please, is there nothing we can, is there no sacrifice we can make to reverse this situation?
Yes. You made the chief priest. If it was possible to make a sacrifice, he would have told you, there's nothing I can do about it. It is beyond my power.
Ume, come this bad day, so. I will not come here to save you. I'm going home.
Fire, fire. Fire.
Akata! Let me have my son. Akata, let me have my son, or I will do something that no ear would like to hear. Let me have my son.
Son, take your son.
Fire, fire.
How did it go? Ume, this is my problem with you. I said, how did it go? You see? I want you, didn't I? I want you not to try Akata. Akata is wicked. You won't listen to me. Look at your body. Look at what he has done to you.
I can't watch these things happen to me like this. Not while I'm alive. I cannot. Amen. I must go to take back my son. Else I will kill him. Yes.
Ume. Hey. Ume, I see danger lurking. You still have other children. Male children. Besides, you are still strong and your wife is equally young. You can raise other children if you want. Let these things lie as they are.
Things are not meant to be this way. Do you understand me? Now listen, I must go to take back my son. Or I will send him to go and meet my ancestors. Do you understand me?
If I understand you very well, are you saying you are going to kill your own child? Your own blood? Eh? Is that it?
Is it not better? Amen, is it not better than to sit and watch him, watch my son, my own son, become an outcast? Eh?
Let me remind you of this proverb, in case you have forgotten. A stubborn fly goes down the grave with the corpse. My good friend, don't be that stubborn fly. If you are planning to kill your own child, your own blood with your own hand, you may count me out. I am not part of it. In fact, this discussion never took place. I am going home. I am not part of it. Please.
Amen, listen. A bird that constructs with its feet can equally destroy with that same feet. Do you understand? You can go.
Ume, I don't know what you're talking about.
What I'm
telling you is, don't involve me in this issue. Please.
Go home, Eme. What I am going to do now has never been done before. I beseech thee, do not reject my spirit, in case I die in the process. This is terrible. How could you make go so far?
When he said it, I warned him not to go. I didn't know he was serious.
You shall be taken to the forest. That is where you belong.
Mama, what did I do to you? What did I do to you that you have to leave me to suffer? Why did you do this to me?
That was how my father suffered to outcast. He was not from the generation of outcasts at the mission. Neither him nor his late father was an outcast. But circumstances compelled him to become an outcast. And now it was passed down to our generation.
You don't wonder I something concerning it. My father was doing it.
It was a very difficult task. It's a bad thing. Nobody agreed to associate with him. He was separated in the generation. For him to even buy or sell, he had to go all the way to his job. And nowhere. We're not talking about marriage, because nobody agreed to marry him. It was a few years after, as God would have it, my mother, the last daughter, went to marry him. A few months after, the suitcase system was abolished.
So your father caused this whole thing?
Yes. Mine was very terrible. It was even worse than your own case. People were avoiding me. no woman agreed to marry me. It was later I found your mother, who was not your father. She accepted me. That was how I knew.
But why would people hold upon such practice?
You see, it's a strong stigma. Very, very difficult to put aside.
My plight is that people now see me as an outcast. What do I do?
You are not an outcast. You are not from the lineage of outcasts.
I'll advise you go to the next village to look for a wife.
But I love Uchechi. I love her.
You see, my son, at this point, life is better than love. It's not Uchechi's fault, neither it is yours. You must have to move on. Things don't go always the way we want it. Please, my son, it's enough. It's okay.
What do you know about it? What I know is that Emenike is a human being. Emenike has blood flowing. Emenike...
Shut up! So you stand here to tell me what I know. That family is a family of outcasts.
That family was, but not anymore.
Definitely, that cannot be claimed. It is already in your blood. Uchechi cannot be allowed to enter that family.
What is your business? I thought you dropped all these things. Christianity has stopped all these things, Papa.
Now I know you know nothing. I wasted money in training you.
Papa, I'm not in support of this. And I want you to remove your hands back. Stop this. This will not make any sense.
Come, shut up. I am ashamed of you. Get out.
Papa, you can be ashamed of you. We are so good. You see that?
I want you to understand this. That an Osu is always an Osu. You can never change them.
This has not answered my question. What is right in seeing a fellow human being as unclean?
Okobi, have you ever thought of this? That if you give out your daughter's hand in marriage to an Osu family, everybody in this town will begin to avoid you. They will begin to discriminate against you. Why? Because you gave out your daughter's hand in marriage to an Osu person. The stigma will follow you everywhere you go in this community. It is true that Osu has been abolished, but still practiced in secret. They still discriminate against them. Okay, let me give you 2 instances. Okereke, Ocha, of. How many people How many people have you seen from this village go into that family to marry any of their daughters? Anthony, the same thing. Second, about your daughter. If you give out your daughter's hand in marriage to an Osu person, she will have nothing to do with Omada again. The Omadas will be gossiping her. When they are in Ghana, she will be the last person to get information of what is happening or what is going on in the community. Okodo, if you decide or if you make up your mind to give out your daughter's hand in marriage to that Osu man, it is left for me. I will not get myself involved. Let's go inside. You can see the weather is changing. It's about to rain.
And where are you coming from?
Which is? All you could do this morning was to wake up and go to Emenike's house?
But I've always gone to Emenike's house. Is there any problem?
Things have changed. It's no more like that again in this house. And I don't want to hear about it or discuss it.
I bet you know. No go be again.
I hope so.
It's obvious. You cannot convince them of the I don't know. But I think if Mazi Babuchi and the son comes around, we go ahead with the marriage rights. Huh? Because I don't think we have to wait for anybody's approval. What do you think?
Utika, my brother.
Yes.
I've been thinking. And I think I've come up with an idea that will help all of us in this matter. Yes.
What idea is that?
I have to send my daughter to the city.
To the city?
I don't understand. Why? Yes. I have to send her to the city, where she can stay and forget about all these things and move on with her life.
I don't understand. Why are you sending her to the city?
You will not understand.
Explain to me now.
Have you forgotten that the last time our in-laws came to this place, we only told them to go and come back?
Are you the one saying this? How come you behave like you're not a titled man? You go down on your knees to lick your own spit. I'm disappointed in you.
Hey, Babuchi, since morning I've been asking, pleading with you.
Oh, why can't you allow me to rest? What do you want me to do for you, woman?
I want you to fix a date for us to go to Uchechi's house and meet our people. After all, they asked us to come back. If we keep quiet, silent, they will think that we never wanted the children to get married in the first place.
It's alright. I will see what I can do.
Thank you, my good husband.
It's a long time you call me such name. Whenever you did good, anything for me.
I'm a good husband.
It's because of the circumstances surrounding us.
It's alright.
Thank you.
My son, I don't have to keep quiet. As if I don't understand what you passed through within this week. I know what it feels like to be rejected. I know what it feels like one waking up and discovers that the world is giving him what he never took.
Thank you, sir.
We have the same words to Kobe. Tell him we are coming the day after tomorrow. We are with his brother. And with his brother, take her around. We can play with churches around.
It's alright.
Are you okay now, son?
Thank you. We're going to Uchichi's house tomorrow.
Oh, really? I wish you luck, my friend. I know all this will end in joy.
I can't wait. I can't just wait.
Say Menike, I'll be returning to your first thing tomorrow. So when are you planning coming back?
For now, I don't know. Maybe when I finish what I'm doing.
But I thought you were giving only 1 week.
I've explained to my MD. I've spoken with him and I've explained to him.
Really? Well, it's alright. It's alright. I just wish you luck, my friend.
In-law.
Papa!
What is wrong with your father?
I don't know. He has been like this since yesterday. I don't know what is wrong with him.
Did you tell me that we were coming today?
Of course I did. He knows. I'm very, very sorry. Let me go and call Marvin quicker, please. Emenike, no, now you don't have to go. Papa, please don't Emenike for me. Emenike, please come back. Hey, Emenike, let me go.
I knew it! I know that these people are going to call my son and I, but they will not succeed.
What happened?
These people are wicked. Very wicked. My son can never go back. Anything concerning no church, a marriage, it's over.
But they were the ones that said we should come back.
Yes, just to humiliate us. Simple, and they succeeded. They succeeded.
It was the church's father. He walked out on us and treated us as we are trash.
Oh my God.
This is strange. I mean, this is wickedness. This is just so callous.
We are not going back there again. Uchechi is not the only woman available for marriage. What is inside that even? Nonsense.
A second time for one girl. But you need to go to town to check your pension if they pay.
That's what I've been thinking about. I think it will be next week. Someone will be blessed.
You don't want to go now, you will wait for it.
Good morning.
Morning. Ma, where are you going with the bag?
Going back to work.
Owerri.
You never told us you'll be going back to Owerri today. Cha-cha.
I kept some money on the table for you people for your upkeep. So, morning.
Uchechi, hey, I hope it's not because of that outcast that you're crying. Because if it is him, please, wipe your tears. He doesn't deserve your tears. Please, wipe your tears. Uche, you got your tears. I don't know why you're crying.
Good morning.
Please, I said anything to the right now. I tried to stop him. He didn't answer me. I even called his phone. I don't know. He was not picking. So I came to find out if he's already on his way back to work.
Why do you want to see him?
Papa, good morning.
Why do you want to see him?
Won't
she allow this boy?
It's okay. You were going to see what Okafor. Just go.
Just be careful.
Nani, go now. My sis, go back to work. What didn't he tell me?
He didn't tell me. Emenike has gone back to work without telling me. He didn't tell me.
It's okay. I'm sure he will still call you.
But I was calling him. He didn't pick.
Maybe he didn't hear. You said he was on an Okada, right? There's no way you will hear the sound of the floor. Come and help me. Yeah. Why did your father suddenly change his mind?
My sister, I don't know. This whole thing is like a dream to me.
I'm really very sorry about it. I'm sorry.
I still cannot believe that Emenike will leave this village without letting me know. And I called him. Severally, but he refused to pick my call.
Do you believe me? The poor boy has tried. Maybe he's hungry.
But he said he loves me. He said so. See, I think the two of you need space from each other right now. If he's meant for you, he'll surely come back to you. Trust him. Come back. I think Emeke has given up on me. That's not true. If the two of you are meant for each other, he'll come back. I don't even know what I'm thinking right now. I don't understand my life again. On Thursday, I'll be going to. I'm going to try to talk to you. You're going to where? And you never told me all this while. You just came in. It's a job interview. You're going to leave me all by myself. If I get this job, I'm going to invite you downstairs. Let's make a little things. Cheer up now. What's cute? See your head.
Actually coming to your house.
Mama, I don't know what I've done. Eminike is no longer giving me attention.
No.
I don't even have appetite to eat or do anything in the house.
You can't do this to yourself. It's not good.
Mama, Eminike has given up on me. I don't know what.
Eminike has not given up on you. Don't say things like that.
Why hasn't he called me since then? Why has he hardened his heart over me? You know very well that it's not my fault.
Of course it is not your fault. But I want you to know that what will be, will be. Alright? Let us just pray. Where are you going?
I'm going to the church.
Oh really? Then let's go together. Let's go and pray.
Mama, I've been sacked.
Sacked?
Yes.
Why? How? When?
Mama, I overstayed my leave. When I got to the office, I discovered we have new entry. I tried to explain. I explained and I explained. I even knelt down and begged. He refused. I still gave him a sack letter.
This is not a good time for a sack letter. Things are so difficult. Did you beg him well? I
did. I begged.
Hey, Menike, let us go back and beg him.
What are you doing to yourself now? What are you doing? Oh, get up. Hey, are you drinking? God, Emenike, wait. Emenike, stop it! Stop! I've asked you to stop. Stop. Stay here. Please.
Menike, how come you left away without telling me?
Sit down.
Uche, don't worry, sit.
No, sit. No, I want to
sit down. Don't worry, okay? Fine. What happened? How come you left without telling me?
I'm so sorry. I just had to come home and rest. Everything was too much.
Menike, but at least you should have told me. I'm your friend. I called your phone a number of times. It wasn't connecting. I was so worried. That's why I came home to check if everything is okay with you.
You see me now. I'm so sorry anyway, but I couldn't just bear it. You understand? So I have no option.
Okay, tell me, are you planning to stay back in the village or what?
Not really, but for now, I just want to cool off here, you know? I'm not just thinking straight. Maybe you need to understand. You know what happened?
But look, I have told you that this is not the end of the war. Look, Menike, it's hard time you dust yourself off. You have to be strong. Let's just go and have a bottle of drink, okay?
Maybe I just want to relax my head. I don't have appetite to eat anything for now, please.
Menike, come on, feet, okay? Stop talking rubbish. Stand up, let's just go and have a bottle of drink. Come on. Come on. It's okay, just... Uche, let's go and sit down somewhere, okay?
Welcome. You are welcome. Thank you. You're welcome. How's the family? Fine. I hope all is well. This one yes. All is well.
It's about that our land across Mba. We have finally found a buyer, and we have written the agreement. I've signed my column. Utika has signed his own column. So I now bring the agreement for you to sign. Do you know that this buyer priced double the amount the first person priced? And the amount is 4 million naira. Egigwe.
Okobi will not sign this document.
What? You won't sign it? Why?
When it was my turn for people to scratch my back, you turned away. Now you want me to sign this document? I will not sign it. And let me tell you, if you people go ahead to say that land without my consent, I will take people to court. And you pay me 10 million naira. Yes. Okobi! Okobi! Who is that?
There is problem. There is problem. What is the problem? What is it? You know something for us. Who told you that? I got home and my wife gave me the message. And I think it has to do with Uchechi and Emily.
Hi. Who could have told or know that?
I don't know, my brother. What do we do now?
Okay. Don't worry. Calm down. Calm down. Don't worry. Calm down until we get to that place first. Okay? Calm down until we get to Noah's place first. Okay? Let me go and change.
I called you here because what I heard is disgusting to my ears. I want to ask you a question, and I want the truth of that matter. Yes or no? Did you and your brothers prevent a young man from marrying your niece because he was an outcast?
It's not like that. Oh no, we are trying.
I said I want yes or no.
Yes.
I'm disappointed. How could you do such a thing? Were you not aware that the Osu caste system has been abolished in this town? Are you not aware that we said that no man should refer to another as an Osu? How could your family spit on the entire village? I'm still speaking. Eh? Look, Unebu, you and your brother must go and bring 50,000 naira fine.
Hey! Oh no!
Hey! That is not all. That is not all. And a cow.
Aye.
Unless you want me to take the matter to the Igwe. And if I go to the Igwe, it will be more severe for you.
Can I say something?
This is not the time to speak. I want you to go back and make sure that that marriage is really contracted. Otherwise, I'll bring in the Igwe. Go now and make sure that the young man pays the marriage rights. Otherwise, what you see, you may not like it.
You've been sitting here for the past 2 hours and you refuse to talk to us.
What do you want me to say?
I've already told you people I will not put my signature on that land document.
Why, man? Eh? Why this? Why? I thought we've made peace.
You're asking me why? So, you have forgotten what people made my daughter to go through in this land?
Hey, Okobi, calm down. Let us not make ourselves look stupid before the men in this village. Besides, we are here for peace.
You are here for peace? Yes. You are here for peace because you want me to put my signature on the land document?
No.
That is it.
No, Okobi, don't take it like that. Please.
Okobi, after due consultation with other members of the family, we came to the conclusion that you can now go ahead and give your daughter's hand in marriage to Emenike. So that we are with peace. We are all in support of you now.
Yes. Dude, so you are now in support of abomination?
Yeah.
I see.
How do you mean abomination? Eh? How do you mean abomination? You are talking as if I am the only person, I, Unebu, who refused your daughter from marrying Emenike.
It's you. It's you. Remember, I warned you, but you will not listen. Now look at where it has landed us.
Anyway, I will think about putting my signature on that land document. I will think about it.
Look, I am not talking about documents. The issue of signing document or issue of not signing document. I am not talking about the document.
Okay, it's about the 50,000 naira farm. Isn't it?
And the cow.
Now that you're talking, I knew it.
Look, Okobi, there is no other place I can raise this money from. Eh? There's no other place I can raise this money from. Where do you want me to get the money from? If not from the land sale.
Okay, I'll think about it. But before then, you people will go back to Emenike and his people to convince them to come back for my daughter's marriage. Yes.
Okay. If I'm with you. We greet you.
What have you come to do?
I am sure you missed your way.
No, my love. We have come to see you.
What are you doing in my house?
Since when did you start listening? At least I expect you to go inside and offer us sit and cola. So that we'll now sit down and detail why we're here.
Discuss like men. Eh? I am surprised that both of you came into Usu compound.
Careful with it. Gradual process. Settle the rules of it. Yes. And that's what we have. We are here to tell you that we are sorry. Because I know we have offended you and your son.
Please, we did that out of ignorance. Now we know better.
My in-law, and we have come to inform you that you and your son can now come for the marriage rights.
In the first place, stop addressing me as your in-law.
My son is no longer interested in you, Jeji. And for your information, he will no longer marry for this.
But At least we've not told you she's not.
Ibabuchi, let us not drag this thing so long. Please, let's allow sleeping dog lie. Our daughter is still waiting for your son.
She is waiting for the wrong person. If she's waiting at all. Yes. I will not be alive and watch my son undergo another round of humiliation from you people.
My in-law, please, I am quite sure your son still loves our daughter.
Who told you that love doesn't die? Well, I was busy at the time.
Go. In-law.
In-law.
Now stand up there. Stand up from that seat. Enough! You will stand up. Stand!
In-law, has he come to this?
Stand up. Wicked people.
In-law.
What do we do? I don't have money to pay for any fine. We must have to do something.
Like what?
Look, I've told you I don't have money to pay fine or money to buy cow.
You must have. You must have. Because you should have known this thing earlier. Enough. Before this time, all these things started escalating.
Are you not blaming me?
Why won't I blame you?
You are not blaming me.
I should blame you.
My daughter.
Nai, good morning.
Morning, how are you?
I'm fine. My father is not at home.
No, I have not come to see your father.
Mm.
I've come to see you. Care for peace.
In that case, let me get you a seat.
No. I've come to make peace with you.
Peace?
Yes.
How? I don't understand.
You see, I'm here to talk to you. I don't want to beat about the bush. We have realized our foolishness. Look, no man was created to be an outcast.
Oh.
We are in support that you should go on and marry Emenike.
I've heard you. I heard you were there yesterday. And Emenike's father refused talking to you. But he's well. My God will see me through.
Look, you're a woman. You can convince Emenike and his people to come back. Tell them we are now in support.
Uncle, can you hear yourself at home? How do you expect me to do that?
They have been here twice and they were humiliated.
Now you want me to go and convince him to come and marry me? As what? What does that speak of me? Begging a man to come and marry me. God forbid.
No, I did not say that. No. I did not say that you should go and beg a man to come and marry you. What I'm saying is that you should go and convince Emenike to come back with his people. Let us make peace. We want peace. I don't want people to look at us as wicked.
Uncle, we are still saying the same thing. Convince. Tell him. Anyhow, it's still the same thing. You don't expect me to go and beg a man to come and marry me. Tomorrow people will start saying rubbish. I cannot do it. I can never do it. I can't even think of it.
Look, you are a woman.
I'm a woman.
You are a woman. It will be easier for you to use the softest part of your heart to convince him. Please, Mom. We are not wicked. Please.
I've heard.
Adai, thank you very much. please. Thank you.
Why no one?
Emenike, you're not saying anything.
I don't have anything to say.
What do you mean you don't have anything to say? They have given their go-ahead order. We should not get married. Yet you kept mute. And you're asking me, what do I want you to do? You know what to do, of course. Emenike, do not do this. Emenike, you know very well that I love you so much. Do not do this because I will not be happy with you.
What do you expect me to say? When your people are very unpredictable, how do you want me to believe they are not planning another humiliation?
Emenike, I can't believe you uttered those words. But no problem. I will not disturb you again about this issue. Just do whatever that pleases you. Don't worry.
Uchechi. Uchechi.
Well, I'll be leaving tomorrow. But I'll be back with you after tomorrow.
I want to thank you for standing by me all this while.
No problem. You're my friend. You said you've forgotten what you did for me in the past. When I nearly came to your way.
That was in the past.
Yeah, you're right. Don't worry. The way I'm looking at this, I will make sure you do something for me.
It's okay.
You're welcome. And there's this friend of mine who owns a cooking company in my house. I think I was actually not. Let's see what we can do. Maybe we can make it.
It's okay. Thank you very, very much. Yes, sir.
You're my friend. Okay? It's my job to help you.
Got it.
Just hold this. Until I'm back. That person. Just let me know.
It's okay. Thank you very much.
I have to take my easy.
Okay. Just drive well, eh?
Of course, I will.
Safe.
My regards to you.
Drive well, eh? Safe. Don't go and take some stuff and drive.
No. You take care of yourself for me, eh?
Love, love, gini kam geme, obia mama isindu mubu kwa love, utobi mubu kwa love, anapomu love, mamweto wemo, isindu mubu kwa love, utobi mubu kwa love, ewepo love, mamweto wemo, mama oterezima, isindu mubu kwa love, utobi mubu kwa love, ewepo love, mamweto wemo.
Emenike, you didn't eat the food that I left for you.
And I'm not hungry. I'm not hungry. Mama, everything is like a dream. I wanted to get married, but at the end, wife I did not marry. Job I don't even have again. I don't understand. I'm just here in this village eating food from my mother's pot. The worst has happened to me.
No. The worst thing that can happen to a man is when you don't have faith. With faith, you can overcome any kind of trial or temptation that comes your way. Please.
I don't even know what I want right now.
Don't talk like this. You have to know what you want. This is just a trying period. It will pass. I know, because I'm a praying woman and I've been praying for you. At the end of the day, there will be joy. This is just
What is it, why are you coming here to look at my son? Huh? What have I done?
Oh, you want me to climb the highest hill you can?
I shall it. And leave my son alone. Go there and wait for a freeborn to come and marry you. Allow us. Leave us alone.
Papa, why are you saying all this to me? I am as hot as Emenike is. And even more. Papa, I weep all night that I now know the taste of tears. Papa, I'm hot. Please. Everybody in this village knows how much I love Emenike. Can you please allow us to be together? I beg you, please.
Did I hear you say love? Huh? Love, walk. Love. I know you are people very well. They are the most unpredictable, crafty people I have ever seen in life. And that includes you. Yes, you are the daughter. If you say you don't sleep, you weep all night. I'm not even moved. Because I know that by tomorrow, you'll be in the arms of another man. Leave my son alone.
No, Papa, please stop saying all this to me. All I need is your blessing. Please, I love Emenike and I wouldn't want to lose him. Please, I beg.
Stop coming here to shed crocodile tears. I don't want to see it. In fact, I don't want to see you here anymore. Get out of here. It's my son, Emenike, I believe. Why is there no food in this house? Are we not going to eat this now?
Do I look like your wife? If you want food, go and get a second wife to be cooking for you. I am not your maid.
Uchechi, are you talking to me like that? Are you talking to me like that, Uchechi?
Leave me alone. Maybe I've lost my mind. Maybe I cannot take it anymore. Maybe you have added more sorrow to my terrible life. Have I not been a good daughter? All my life, everything I've ever done is to make you happy. Everything I've ever done is to make you satisfied. Why are you treating me like this? Why, Father? Why? I have done practically everything to make you happy in this house. But how did you pay me back? What have you paid me back with? You've taken away my joy, my happiness. The only man that matters to me, you have taken him away from me. Thereby making me a laughing stock in this community. What have I done to deserve this? All you ever want me to do is to stay in this house, cook for you, wash clothes for you, do some fun chores for you. That's all you want. Why don't you marry me? Why don't you get me pregnant and let me start bearing children for you? Why don't you marry me? Why don't you marry me? Since you don't want my happiness, why don't you marry me? Oh!
only because of that. Oh, give me this. What did I do, Mama? Mama! Is it true you asked Uchechi to stop coming to our house?
The question should have been, is it true that you asked Uchechi to stop coming here to shackles that tears? If that is your question, the answer is yes.
It's not fair. Let's not treat this thing like a do or die affair. We all know how it all started.
Can't you see this thing the way I'm saying it, woman? Huh?
Let's not treat this girl like we hate her. It's not her fault. The fact that her people cannot stand Uchechi is not her fault.
Let me tell you. I want you to know that I'm being very careful about whatever concerns Uchechi and her people. Her people are my enemies, and I see them as such. Eh? Look at it. Is it not because of Uchechi and her people that my son is now roaming about the village doing nothing? Yes, he lost his job because of them. And you know they're not to let you know they're enemies.
The Bible says we should also love our enemies.
That is what the Bible said.
Look, I think you should remember the past. This girl was a good girl. She used to come around to help us in the farm and in the house. We found no fault in her. Why all this?
There you go again. What is wrong with you? Eh? If there is no other better thing to discuss, why don't you finish what I'm doing?
Anyway, about the job, I know that Emenike will get a better job. I've been praying for him, and I know that God answers all my prayers. Before we know it, Emenike will be back.
That is what I also pray for. I pray that you get a better job.
Let me go. I don't want anybody shouting at me.
Yes, because you know how to say, no one thing you're doing. Take it easy. So I'm talking about somebody that went to be good to us.
Emenike! Oliver, is everything alright?
You should be in a worry. Emenike, this letter is for you.
What is this?
Is this for you? It's for real.
That's it.
I've not only been restated, but made the managing director of our company at Enugu.
I told you, my friend, that very soon the storm will be over. You see that? Am I dreaming? No, I'm dreaming. I'm dreaming.
Do you know that this comes with an official car? With housing allowance. How did it happen? How?
I was at home, they brought the letter. They said they were calling your phone and it wasn't connected.
Oh, that's true. I had a flat battery and there was no light.
Congratulations.
Whoa!
You know what? Just go inside and let's go and celebrate.
Good afternoon, sir. Sir, please don't be offended. I don't know if you're going my direction.
Where exactly are you going to?
I'm going to Umikere village.
Umikere.
Actually, that's not my direction. But it's okay, let me drop it. It's okay.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
It's like you're coming from a long journey.
Yes, sir. I'm coming from Port Harcourt.
Oh, Port Harcourt. Wow, that's nice. So, what do you do?
I used to walk.
You used to walk?
Yes, I lost my job.
Wow. Oh, sorry about that.
No problem.
So sorry, eh? So what do you study in school?
Accounting.
Accounting. That's nice. Okay. You might be lucky.
How?
There's a vacancy in my office for an accountant. So, you're going to file up your CV and submit.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much. I'm really, really grateful. God bless you.
Don't thank me yet, you've not gotten the job yet.
There's no problem. You're God sent. God bless you so much.
Okay, we'll take it up from there.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Awesome God!
Yeah.
Oh, Father shall always be God. You always do it for us. Eh? Hey! God, you're just an awesome God. Eh?
Hey!
How did it happen?
Mama, so him now. He brought a letter to me. After reading the letter, I had to rush to the way.
Hey! Yeah! This calls for celebration.
Yes. Celebration of my wife. You see that fowl? The big one. Just prepare it very well.
Okay.
Garnish it well. While I go to bring my special palm wine.
No, you can't get the palm wine.
That won't be a problem.
now. Won't you even have to rest?
You're always busy, pressing this here. Huh? TV.
Papa, I need to fix this because I'm taking it to Nollywood the day before tomorrow. So I have to do it and do it fast.
Please, take care of yourself. You walk a little and have a rest, eh?
It's okay.
Hello, Emily.
Oh, nigga, how are you?
I'm fine. I hope I'm just
Oh, no, not at all. Nigga, I want you to get your CV for me tomorrow. And why coming? Just call me first so I'll direct you.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much. I'll come tomorrow. Thank you.
Bye.
I hope I'm not sure. Good morning, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine. Are you leaving already?
Yeah, almost. Is that the credentials I asked you to bring?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me see. Oh, you have diploma in bookkeeping too?
Yes, sir.
Wow. This is great. Let's say you're one step closer.
Oh, thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Let me be going now.
Look, I'll get home, eh?
Safe trip.
Good
Good morning, sir.
Papa?
Morning, Mom.
Safe trip.
Okay, bye, eh?
Is she from this village? Do you work in the same place?
Papa, why all this patience?
She looks beautiful, very beautiful. Look at, she looks to me as a good wife. Huh?
No, Papa, it's not what you think.
Oh, am I thinking anything? Do you look at me? Am I saying anything? I'm thinking nothing. I'm saying nothing. All I'm saying, I'm only admiring her. She's beautiful.
Okay.
If not for anything, you must have known her name by now.
Papa, her name is Nega. Can I go now? Can I?
5 seconds.
You're free.
Please, don't be offended. Are you married? Not yet. You look cool. You look very okay. You have a car, you have a job, and I know you will have a house. So, why not yet?
It's a long story.
Anyway, you look like my ex. We were actually planning to get married, but his mother refused because I'm not from their village. And she wants someone that is from their village.
Sorry about that.
Don't worry, it's nothing. You know, destiny can be good, but certainly it can be good.
Yeah, you're right. You're right. Oh.
utobi mubukwa love, ewepu love mamweto wema. Isindo mubukwa love, utobi mubukwa love, ewepu love mamweto wema.
Take this and get something for yourself.
Thank you very much, sir. Okay. Do you know I've been so broke? Thank you. You are God sent.
No problem.
God bless you.
Take care of yourself.
Okay.
Yeah, bye.
Asa, my beautiful sister. How are you? Who is that man?
Oh, it's my friend. That man is very kind. Do you know he has been spoiling me with money since I came back?
Your friend?
That man is very kind.
Are you serious?
Telling you.
Eh? And he gave you this money?
This is just number one. He has been buying me so many things. Beautiful, beautiful things.
Are you serious?
Anywhere you see that kind of man, greeting for me. He's a nice man. Sorry that I have not visited you since I came back. You know we've been trying to fix some things.
So what? No problem.
Okay. I'll come to your house tomorrow.
No problem.
It's not easy to find man these days, though. My sister, I'll come and see you tomorrow. You know what I eat now? If I go for me, I don't for you. Uche. What happens to me will happen to you. Good morning.
You again. Look at this guy. I have warned you to stop coming to my compound. Stop coming to embarrass me and my son. I'm begging you, I'm on my knees, please.
No, please. I have not come to insult you or anything. I brought firewood for Mama. Is she at home?
Did she order firewood from you? I have warned you several times to stop coming to this place. You are looking for something, you will get it. Huh? Did she tell you she's in need of firewood? Take it to your parents, we don't need it.
Okay. No, please. Sorry to disturb you. I saw someone that looks like Iminiki on the way. Is he in town?
Are you trying to interview me now? Or what?
No, eh? No,
Must I answer this question? What's your business with Iminiki? I've told you before, whatever is between both of you is over.
No, please. Is he back?
Yes. Any problem? What's your business with that? And now you come. So before Eminike will come, you first of all obtain permission from you. Eh?
No, Biko, please. I'm very sorry. Please, but is he coming back?
So that's another interrogation. Eh? Whether he's coming back or not coming back. You want me to expect me to answer you? Please take this firewood to those who it belongs to. Take it to your parents and leave my compound in peace. Leave now! Go and meet them. They are the freeborn. We are outcasts. There's no connection between the freeborns and outcasts. Take this firewood to those who belong to them. Take it to your parents! That's the watch. Leave my compound! Carry it to your parents. Nonsense.
Nega. Unusual on your face. Tell me, who is behind this?
I don't be in a hurry. You get to meet him very, very soon.
Let him come and see us.
Don't worry, no. He will come. You know he has been busy doing some things. Do you know that this same man promised to give me a job in his office?
He must be a very rich man.
Eh? He is very rich. He has money. Do you know that he also has money?
Eh? I know that you know this fellow.
Is that what you're saying? You can say it again and again. I have good luck following you every day.
Please go and prepare me something to eat. You can see I'm having an eating time. Hi. My good love.
Who touched it? Who touched it? That's me. That's me. Please, I cannot do that in a minute. You must go now. Go now. Go. Go. We need your fire. Get out. If I shoot you, I'm going to kill your life. Relax here. Want to implicate my son? Go away. Did you see me?
I know your plan. There is nothing hidden about it.
Who did you? Who did you?
Ute. I'm coming to your house. Are you going? Uche! Uche! What is that block?
So you think you have succeeded? You think you have finally succeeded? It's a lie. The war has just started.
What is it? What have I done to you? Eh?
He said you don't eat dog meat, but you share it with your teeth. Is that not an act of hypocrisy? Is that not wickedness? Tell me.
Calm down and talk to me. Tell me what is the problem? Wait for what? Wait for trouble. Real trouble. I will give it to you.
Papa, did you quarrel with Uncle?
You're shouting. And even told me that I should prepare for war.
War?
Yes.
Ah, but this is unlike nobody. Did you ask him what the problem was?
I tried to. But he did not give me the chance to talk. I think I know where this is coming from. I know where it's coming from. Let me go and see Otika. When I come back, I'll tell you.
Hello? Emenike? Are you back? You are at home now? Okay, I'm coming right away. I'm coming.
Enough of that stuff. We're starting work next month. Have it.
Work?
Yes, work.
Walk. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Oh, you're so kind.
I want you to do one thing for me.
Okay.
Put your whole mind in this work.
I'll do it.
Do it well.
Anything.
Work very hard.
Hey, what could I have done without you? You were so lovely. Give me another hug.
It's okay. Let's go. I bought something for you.
Hey, another thing. Hey, what have I done? For me. Why?
Uchechi, I've told you never to cry because of a man.
Papa, I am not crying because of a man. I am not crying because they broke my hands and took what rightfully belongs to me.
I am only crying because we have been fooled. I am crying because this is not right. This is not right, Papa.
My daughter, I'm not stupid. I know what to do.
Papa, please.
Yes.
Please.
I know what to do.
Please help me. Help me.
Honestly, I don't feel like going.
You don't feel like going, but I have to. I will see you tomorrow, okay? But don't forget that we're going to Enugu tomorrow together.
Hey, I've been meaning to ask you this. What about your mother?
She went for our church program, but it's going to last for 3 days. Don't worry, you see her soon. Okay?
Oh, Emenike, you are back.
Yeah, you're welcome.
That's good. You're good. Did you find them? Yeah, why would you tell us? Did you get
We ate the stadium.
What will we see?
I will come tomorrow.
That will be wonderful. I will be at home.
Papa, it's okay. Let me go and drop her.
Drop her. What's another? I'll be back soon. Chelu, wait. Emenike.
Papa, please don't start. What is it?
What again do you mean by starting? You don't ask her anything. Emily, can't you see this girl is happy with you? And since you met her, you'll be happy. Is it a lie?
Yes, Papa, I'm happy.
You are happy. My concern is anything that will make you happy.
Papa, don't worry yourself. I am happy. Okay? Are you happy now?
Hey, beautiful. Move on.
Okay, my dear, I'll be going.
No, come inside and see my father. You won't greet my father.
I would love to, but I don't have much time.
You are not going this way. I just want you to stand here, then I'll call out.
Papa! Papa! Papa, there's someone outside that I want to meet you.
Who is that person?
Come and see the person now.
Coming. Good day, sir.
is a son of a babuchi, the outcast.
Papa, what are you trying to say? That I shouldn't accept him if he proposes?
No, I didn't say so. I didn't say so. He's rich. He's tall. He's an MD of a company. So
you almost scared me. Papa, see, the way I'm saying things now, our marriage will come very, very soon. You didn't say that.
No.
How is your father?
He's fine.
I was coming to see you and...
This gentleman, did not allow to marry my daughter, has come to marry his own daughter, and he accepted him. Is that not conspiracy? Tell me.
Unebu, you have heard what Okukuku said. Is it the truth?
Oh no. You told us to associate with the Osu and not to avoid them.
So this is the truth. Unebu, you have eaten from the pot of shame. Let me tell you, as long as I am the Onowu of this community, that marriage cannot hold.
No. But you told us to be associating with the outcast. Now that this young man and this young girl have decided to marry each other, you are now telling me that you do not hold. It's not possible, Odo.
Unebu. If this is true, count me out. Because we cannot wipe our hands with our left hand and put our fingers in our nostrils. Count me out.
But what is all this all about? Why this language?
Unebu, they call you. I have found out that you are a confused man. I am the owner of this village. And that marriage cannot hold. And this meeting is over.
Papuchi, are you aware of the fact that your son is making a marriage arrangement?
I see. So, what this girl does now is to go about prognosing into our affairs and knowing what we intend to do. How do I go about it? Now tell me, what business of hers is it if her son is making alternative arrangement for marriage? Or must he be Uchechi? Must he be Uchechi?
I'm asking you. You have not answered my question.
Well, if you insist, all I know is that where my son is, what makes him happy is where I stand.
So you are aware, right?
I've not said so.
So much is happening in this house without reason.
Let me finish. Come on. So, this is so forget is getting out of hand. I must think of what to do.
You're back from retreat?
Yes, I'm back.
How did you go?
It went well.
Yeah. Well, what is it? Anyway, I'm just coming back.
Yeah, I'm okay. What's this idea of you and your father finding a wife for you? Someone to get married to without letting me know?
Mama, wouldn't they allow you to rest at least?
Both of you treat me as if I'm not part of this family. Eh? As if I don't matter. It doesn't make sense and I don't like it.
Mama, as you can see, I'm just coming back. And I've had a very hectic day. So I need to rest. We'll talk about that.
Now treats me like a total stranger in my own house.
So this is true. You want to marry Nega?
Told you.
What do you mean you told me? The news is all over the village. Everybody knows about it. Menike, is this the love you promised me? Is this the love? Eh? So this is how the love has suddenly disappeared. Menike. It has suddenly disappeared into thin air. Menike.
Chichi, it's not my fault. Your people caused it.
Whose fault? It's not yours. Whose fault? Emenike, of all the girls in this community, why must it be my own cousin? Why? Emenike, you hurt me so deeply. You hurt me. Why must it be my blood? Emenike, it would have been endurable if it was someone else.
Chichi, I am not done with you yet. I've not told Nneka I want to marry her.
But you've taken her in. Have you not? You have taken Nneka in. Look me in the eyes and tell me you have not taken Nneka.
I've never thought of that. How do you expect me to do anything?
Stop patronizing me! Stop it! Stop patronizing me! Do you know how many times I've seen you with her? Uncountable! Emenike, you're hurting me! Of all the girls, why Nneka? Why my cousin? Emenike, I haven't done anything to you! Emenike, this is not fair! This is not fair!
Jane, please stop crying. Whoever told you that I want to get married to Nneka? It's a lie. I'm not doing Nneka. How do you expect me to marry the daughter of a man who called me an outcast? Who humiliated me? Please don't believe them. I am not getting married to Nneka. Okay? Jane, please.
I really missed you. I thought I had lost you. Today is the happiest day of my life.
What have you been doing all this while?
What else? Why is not crying? I've been crying. You left me now.
What does she want here?
Papa, she came to see me.
But I have warned her never to set her foot in this copper. Have I not done that?
But why?
Okay. I don't want trouble for her people. Are you hearing me? Huh? And I wouldn't like her to hurt you again.
Papa, she has not hurt me before. And as we speak, her people have decided to accept her.
I don't care. And I'm not going there again for this marriage. As far as I'm concerned, it's over.
Papa, calm down. Just calm down and listen to me. Papa, you know, as we speak, Igwe has resolved in this issue. And has concluded that Uchechi and I will get married.
I see. Igwe. A I'm just talking about you. Let me tell you, even if God Almighty comes down today, I, your father, Ibabuchi, cannot, for any reason, be found in that compound. I have told you, leave this girl alone. Nothing in this world will make me pursue me down to this wicked. I cannot do that. Huh? Wicked human beings. That's what they are. And this girl is exclusive. I cannot go with you. Go and marry her alone.
Papa, you know how much I love Uchechi. Papa, please.
Even if I have told you several times, stop talking about Uchechi and why. Please. And by the way, what of Neka?
That is what we're talking about. Papa, Neka and Uchechi, they are cousins. Ichiewu is Neka's father.
Hey! How do you know?
I went to drop him there. My father came out to greet me.
Hey! Instead of you to marry each other's daughter, leave all of them and go to the graduation marry. Yes.
But please, I need your support and your blessing now. Please.
But I have always supported you on it. I've never been doing that. But for this one, I say no.
Papa, let us finish what we've started. It will not harm us. Rather, it will bring peace in this village. I know people will learn from it.
Please, you need to support this. Eh? Especially now that the whole village is involved. Besides, there are people who have accepted that you should come and marry her. And let us support them, please.
My wife, you are saying this because you are not there with me. If you had seen the kind of insults I received from this woman. Yeah. Never.
Papa, did I not tell you that Igwe is fully aware of this?
Emenike!
Papa.
Can't lick my vomit.
Papa, please, stop this, please, help me. Please.
Emenike, instead of wasting your time, go out and look for a befitting care. I will be there. I will give you 100% support. Yes. But for Neka and Uchechi, count me out of it.
I'll talk to you, okay?
How are you? Fine. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Did you see Neka?
Did I see Neka?
Yes.
How?
I woke up this morning to notice that she has packed all her things and left. And I was thinking she came to your place.
Why? What happened?
I don't know.
Did you two quarrel? Where could she have gone to?
I don't know. Did she call you on phone?
No, she did not.
I was thinking she came to see you. She came to visit you.
No, she did not. Papa. Hey, come, let me drop it back. I don't just understand what you say. How could she have done?
You can't continue taking this whole thing this far. I know they hurt you, but in trying to take revenge, you end up hurting your own son. Yes, and for the past 2 weeks, that boy has not been himself. You really need to have everything.
It's alright.
Thank you. I'll make you a special soup.
When did you come back? I came back yesterday. Hope there's no problem. So your face is like this. There is nothing. Talk to me now, Uchechi. No, this is not Uchechi anymore. My problem is your sister. My sister. Uchechi. Uchechi, come. Where is my sister? Papa, how could you allow Emenike, the same man you vehemently refused to marry Uchechi, to associate with Nneka? Is he no longer an outcast? Hey, Papa, how could you do such a thing? No wonder Nneka ran out of the house. You had better go look for her.
Ihe bụ nke mmadụ onye na-akwala ya, ọ bụkwa na Chukwu nyere m ya, ọ bụ nke m, nke a bụ nke m, nke m, bụ nke m. Ihe bụ nke mmadụ onye na-akwala ya, ọ bụkwa na Chukwu nyere m ya, ọ bụ nke m, nke a bụ nke m, nke m, bụ nke m. Ihe bụ nke mmadụ onye na-akwala ya, ọ bụkwa na Chukwu nyere m ya, ọ bụ nke m, nke a bụ nke m, nke m, bụ nke m. Ihe bụ nke mmadụ onye na-akwala ya, ọ bụkwa na Chukwu nyere m ya, ọ bụ nke m, nke a bụ nke m, nke m, bụ nke m. Ihe bụ nke mmadụ onye na-akwala ya, ọ bụkwa na Chukwu nyere m ya, ọ bụ nke m, nke a bụ nke m, Give up. buke